Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the invalid request parameters are invalid error when connecting your Instagram to your TikTok profile. Step 1. Open your TikTok app and go to your profile, and then tap the Edit Profile button. Step 2. Tap on the Add Instagram and try linking your Instagram account. If the error appears, close both apps. In this case, I'm on PC, so you can see the Add Instagram section, but on your phone, you will see the Link Instagram section. And step 3, go to your phone's settings, and then apps, and then TikTok, and then storage, and then clear the cache and data of TikTok. Step 4. Do the same for Instagram. Clear the cache and data of your Instagram app. Step 5. Make sure that your Instagram account is set to public and it is not a business account temporarily. Step 6. Return to TikTok and try linking your Instagram again. Step 7. If it still fails, open your TikTok in a browser and connect Instagram from the TikTok web profile settings. This error is usually related to mismatched permissions or outdated session data. The clearing the cache and retrying often resolves it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.